Now, as of now, we have seen arrangements where everyone is facing the same direction. Now, you can also have a scenario where people are facing different directions. Like some people are facing one side, the other people are facing the other side. The best example is, for example, if you have a class teacher, the class teacher is facing this side and the kids are facing this side. So, if this is the left for the students, this direction is going to be left for the teacher, this direction is going to be right for the teacher, this direction is going to be left for the students, this direction is going to be right for the students. All you need to do is assume two sets of directions. One for people facing one side, the other for people facing the other side. Now, let's see how this works with an example. 4 boys, Kluivert, Lampard, Mourinho and Neymar sit in row 1 facing south. Okay, so let's assume this is row 1 and they are all facing this side. Okay, and 4 girls. Okay, so here you will have K, L, M and N. Okay, you will find them here. And 4 girls, Priya, Queenie, Reena and Sanya. So you have P, Q, R and S. They sit in row 2 facing north. Okay, so this is north. Okay. Each boy in row 1 faces exactly one girl from row 2. The following information is known about them. Okay. Now, before we go to them, we need to assume directions for them. Just like with linear arrangements, we can assume any direction as left or right. Only thing is, whatever direction you assume for row 1, the opposite should be for row 2. Okay, so let's assume this direction is right, this is left, and for these people I'll assume, okay, let's just erase this part. Okay, for these people I'll assume this direction as left and this direction as right. Okay. Okay, let's go to the information which is there. Kluivert sits at an end. So Kluivert, okay, let me mark these positions 1, 2, 3 and 4. Kluivert sits at an end and sits opposite the girl who is to the immediate right of Priya. Okay, so if I were to put Kluivert will be here. He is opposite a girl, let's call this question mark. Okay, who is immediate right of Priya. Now this girl is immediate right of Priya. Now Priya will be in this row. For girls, this direction is right. So if I put Priya here, immediate person will be this person who is facing Kluivert. And I also know Kluivert sits at an end. Now if I put Kluivert in position 1, there is no place for P to sit. So K goes to position 4. This is question mark, so this is Priya. Okay, Reena is not a neighbor of Priya. Reena is not a neighbor of Priya. So Reena cannot sit here. Reena cannot sit here. So Reena will sit here. But is opposite the boy who is adjacent to Mourinho. Opposite this person, opposite Reena is a person who is next to Mourinho. So the only place next to this person is position 2. So this will be Mourinho. Okay, so I'll use this part, I'll use this part. Lampard is to the immediate left of the person who is opposite Sanya. Okay, so you have Sanya. Opposite this is some person, let's call it X. Immediate left. Immediate left. Now left for boys is our right. So this will be Lampard. Okay, so this comes as an L-shaped formation. Okay, let's see how we can fit this part. If I put Sanya in 4, there is no place for Lampard to sit. So Sanya comes here, Lampard comes here. Now the last person left here is K, L, M. This will be N. This is P, Q. This will be Q. So I have arranged all these people in both the rows. I can answer any question which I have. Now this is an easy part in terms of directions, because we know who is sitting in which side, which row, and which direction they are facing. Now in the next video we will look at a scenario where people are sitting in the same row but facing different directions. So I would suggest go to the next video and look at it.